Hi, this is Brian Bachland from MarineMax Clearwater, and today I'll be walking you through the 2018 330 Outrage by Boston Whaler. See, this boat has white hull sides with a silver boot stripe, very clean looking, powered by white 350 Mercury Verado motors with joystick piloting. So the joystick piloting makes ease of docking situations, but also functions as skyhook to keep you in place, and integrated autopilot as well. Very wide transom pass through while boarding, fold out boarding ladder, and wash down pump. See the dive door on the starboard side, very spacious cockpit, rear facing seating as well. One thing Boston Whaler does so well is integrated the seating, and it's very easily convertible. When you're ready to fish, you can open up the very spacious cockpit. Do have large fish boxes on the port and starboard side. Rear facing seat does convert into a table and bait prep station as well. Moving forward to the helm, again, joystick piloting, vessel view 7, plenty of room for in-dash electronics, and very comfortable helm seating with flip-up bolsters. Do have a platform to stand on as well, which raises your standing position by a few inches. Moving forward, very large head width sink, so plenty of room to use the facilities and offer storage as well. Again, to view some of the comfort features of the Boston Whaler, you can see the widened bulwarks forward that really opens up the seating in the bow. And we have the very large sun pad as well, so very comfortable seating, flip down armrests. And another added feature of this configuration is the storage underneath, so plenty of lockable storage for rods and gear. JL audio system. And finishing off, we do have the through stem automatic windlass with wired remote. So if you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachland from MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give me a call, come on down to see this boat or any others in person, or schedule a water demo. Or you can say hi to the manatees. Thank you very much and have a good day.